but I just have one question. SCA, are we ready? This is an exciting moment for the region to leave a lasting legacy that benefits us far beyond the tournament.
Oh, what an exciting time for SEA. I'm so thrilled, and welcome to our visitors, welcome to the community. All across the terminal, major upgrade projects are wrapping up just in time for this exciting event.
Because in exactly 7 days, 19 hours, 12 minutes, and 33 seconds, we will be welcoming hundreds of thousands of visitors to our region, many of whom will pass through these very halls at SEA and visit many of the beautiful waterfront port properties downtown. We've been preparing across the port to ensure everyone who moves through our facilities has a safe and smooth experience this summer.
Our top priority is making sure every traveler has a safe, smooth, and memorable experience during this busy season.